Steve here. Wanted to give you a quick overview of what the ACX Mentors is all about and why it's suitable for you. Okay, it's all about your critical role in business success. How you can take your colleagues, your peers to the next level of understanding in terms of outside-in, customer centricity, advanced processes and all that sort of stuff. And it's about being able to give them the right tools and techniques that are relevant for now. Not what was relevant like 20, 30 years ago, but what's coming down the pike and is really going to be useful in terms of getting back into a new normal. So that's the bit of it. It's all about business transformation, of course, and business transformation around innovation, being able to do things in better ways, looking at the ways we've done things in the past and dramatically improving them, extending our processes out into the customer experience. And then in doing that, gaining better control for our organizations, delivering on customer promises and those successful customer outcomes that we're all very keen on actually doing. The second insight in terms of the overall program is that people and orgs can do this. It's not rocket science, it's not brain surgery, it's about being able to put ourselves in a place which understands what is the outcome we're trying to achieve and how then do we best align to achieve it. It's straightforward. So if you've got a background in process, customer experience, any of those sort of domains and areas, this is going to be exactly a great fit for you in terms of becoming a mentor and a coach and a guide for your colleagues and the organisation. And as you know, with all our programs, it's learn by doing. It's not theoretical. So people will be rolling the sleeves up and getting stuck into real live problems, the problems that are around our organisations today. And what we'll be doing as well is focusing on the case studies, on the work you're doing. So you'll come away with it, not just a better understanding of how to improve and help people by coaching them, but by fixing real life problems. We'll go through that scenario as well. Of course, what underpins all this is your continued learning and growth, getting to a better place, getting to, from a career perspective, that next notch up the ladder. But more than that, it's about being enriched, becoming more fulfilled. Insight number 3, okay, is all about the latest tricks, hacks and tips. You like that, the latest tricks, hacks and yeah, basically what that's about is that there's ways of doing stuff which don't require massive investment, don't require the sign up of the top team. We could just get on and do it. And in doing those, it dramatically improves our capability in terms of delivery. What that demonstrates is that it doesn't require enormous budgets to help transform organisations. That's not really what that learning is about. It's about enabling people, upskilling them, giving them more techniques that they can think about things in a different way, reframe their world into that outside-in perspective. So what you'll be doing as well as an ACX Mentor is getting more closely hooked in to this continual learning and thinking and development. So we've got forums around it, which will enable you to get involved, exchange with other coaches and mentors, the latest ideas, ask questions. That's really important, asking questions. Is finding out what's going on for them and finding out what works and what doesn't necessarily work. So that's not just an here and now. That's as we sort of progress forward into the future and as we change the way we're doing things. And so that vibrant community will underpin a lot of what you're doing. So let's boil it down. ACX Mentors are built on what you already know. It's a build on being able to incorporate new ideas and techniques as they emerge, and then share those with colleagues, and at the same time upskilling them so that they got the benefit not just of your learning, but of the learning of all those coaches and mentors that are involved in the community. So I hope you like the idea of that, and I'd love to see you on the inside. You'll be able to book and register to get involved in the webinar series. It's going to be over 4 weeks, and it's 2 hours a week. So it's pretty straightforward, isn't it? 4 weeks, 2 hours a week, live recorded, with all bumps and bruises and all. But of course, at the same time, if you do miss a session, life gets in the way sometimes, doesn't it? If you do miss a session, they're recorded for your benefit to watch actually offline later. So I do hope you sign up, and I'll see you on the inside. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.